Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Lexus RX330 spare tire. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. For added security, place wheel chocks around the tires that will remain on the ground. Next, open your cargo hatch and locate the small access panel on the floor, usually near the rear bumper side. This panel covers the mechanism to lower your spare. Now, let's get your tools ready. You'll need the jack handle, the lug wrench, and the extension rod, which are typically stored with your vehicle's jack. Carefully remove the small access panel in the cargo area to reveal the lowering bolt. This bolt is what controls the cable holding your spare tire. Take the extension rod and insert it firmly into the opening of the lowering bolt, ensuring it's properly seated. With the extension rod in place, attach your lug wrench to the end of the rod. This combination acts as a crank. Begin turning the lug wrench counterclockwise. As you turn, you'll feel the spare tire slowly descend from underneath the vehicle. Keep turning steadily until the spare tire is fully on the ground and the cable is slack. This ensures you have enough room to maneuver the tire out. Once the spare tire is on the ground, you'll need to disconnect the retaining cable. There's usually a small bracket or hook in the center of the wheel that the cable attaches to. Simply unhook it. Now, carefully slide the spare tire out from under your Lexus RX330. Remember to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals. When you're done, store your flat tire securely in the spare tire's original location or transport it for repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.